Clean air has never been more important, so we've made hospital-grade air purification available to businesses globally. The Rensair air purification technology has been used by Scandinavian hospitals for more than a decade.
We are now providing Rensair to UK hospital systems and care homes, but also to businesses broadly, such as gyms, offices, restaurants, schools, and dentists. We use a patented solution that combines some of the most advanced air purification technologies, including HEPA filters and UVC light, in a unique solution that doesn't only capture, but also inactivates the bacteria and viruses. And that's why it's a superior solution to most air purification devices on the market. The product was developed by our father, who's a Danish engineer, and he developed the product originally because I suffered from severe allergies as a child.
And it's that business that we've now taken global in the light of the global pandemic. A key differentiator for us is we place the UVC lamp in the middle of our cylinder-shaped HEPA filter, thereby continuously destroying the DNA and RNA in the bacteria and virus that's caught in the filter. That means clean air leaves the machine all the time.
Because the UVC light continuously illuminates the filter surface, it's always safe to do maintenance on a Rensair air purifier. Simply take out the filter and put a new one in. Rensair has been extensively tested by some of the leading laboratories in the world, including Eurofins, Norconsult, and Oslo University Hospital. And they have demonstrated that Rensair is more than 99.97% effective at removing airborne impurities such as viruses and bacteria.
Another key feature of the Rensair is the large cleaning capacity. So we can process up to 560 cubic meters of air per hour.
For spaces larger than that, multiple Rensairs can be combined in order to achieve the same effect.
The Rensair is super easy to use. You simply take it out the box, plug it in the wall and turn it on, and it can then run for 9,000 hours before you need to do any maintenance. It means you can plug it in, forget about it, and have clean air in your spaces.